Hello, good day everyone. So this video lesson is all about probability. Okay, so what is probability? So it is a field of mathematics that deals with chances. Okay, so it is the chance that a particular event will happen. Okay, so just like, okay, for example, tumingin ka sa labas at nakita mo na maaraw, okay? So, titingnan mo yung chance na uulan ba or hindi ngayong araw, okay? Based doon. So, there is a lower chance na umulan kasi nga maaraw. Okay? So, that's probability. Okay? So, again, it is the chance or it deals with chances. Okay? It's the chance that a particular thing or event will happen. Next, in probability, we have this term experiment. Okay, so just like in science, okay, same lang sila. It is an activity or process, okay, that leads to well-defined results. Okay, an example of experiment, very famous in math, is this one. When we talk about probability, ayan, we have here tossing a coin or rolling a die. Okay, rolling a die or dice. Okay, so the repetition of an experiment is what we call the trial. Okay, so yung paulit-ulit. Okay, so we call that trial. Next is we also have this term outcome. Okay, so from the word outcome, it is the result. Okay, the result of an experiment. So it is an event, okay, or in here, an event is any collection of outcomes. Okay, so a simple event is an event with only one possible outcome. So kapag meron lang siyang single outcome or nag-iisang outcome, tinatawag natin siya na simple event. Okay? Next is the sample space. Okay, so this is the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. Okay, so for example, meron tayong nag-roll tayo ng die. Okay, nag-roll tayo ng dice. Then, we know that die has 6 faces, right? So, how many possible outcomes kaya when we roll a single die? Okay, so we have 6. And what are those? We have 1, yung face natin na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so these are the sample space, okay, of rolling a die. Okay? So, set siya. You will write it as a set. Yan, with bracket. Okay? Next, so let's move on here. The very first formula that you have to know when we talk about probability. Okay, so probability of an event. So the formula in finding the probability of an event is equal. Okay, equal to the number of event all over or divided by the number of sample space. Okay, so yung number of event natin yung number of outcomes of the event asked or given. Okay, and then the number of the sample space, yun yung number of all the possible outcomes. Okay, remember ha, sample space is the set of all the possible outcomes. Okay, so let's have an example for you to fully understand this one. So here's our first example. So a coin is tossed. So find the sample space and the probability of getting ahead. Okay, so we know that a coin has two faces, right? So meron tayong two faces. We have the head and we have the tail. Okay, so ang sabi dyan, find the sample space and the probability of getting ahead. So first, we have to find for the sample space. So since na-list na natin, ibig sabihin, ito yung sample space natin. So ilet lang natin yung sample space as SS. Okay, then, ayan, lagyan natin siya ng bracket. So our sample space is head tapos tail. Okay? So we have 2, right? Next, we have to find the probability of, take note, getting ahead. Okay? So head lang daw siya. So pag nag-toss tayo ng coin, ilan kaya yung chance, okay, na makakuha tayo ng head or lumabas yung head. Okay? So we have the formula, probability, okay, is equal to, okay, ano yon yung formula natin? We have the number of events. So, ano ba yung event natin? Yung head, right? And ilan yung head doon sa ating sample space? We have 1. Okay? Over the number of the sample space, all the set of all possible outcomes, kung ilan yon. So, we have head and tail, so we have 2. So, therefore, the probability of getting ahead when we toss a coin is 1/2, or we're going to convert that into percent, okay, or into percentage, we have 50%. Okay, so 1 divided by 2 lang, okay, that's 0.5 times 100, that is 50%. Okay, so there is a 50% chance, okay, of getting ahead when we toss a coin. Okay, next, let's have another example. So in here, we're going to use cards. Okay, ayan. So sino yung mga familiar dito sa cards natin, sa mga baraha, okay? So what would be the probability of picking a black card at random from a standard deck of 52 cards? Okay, so sinabi dyan 52 cards, hindi kasama yung dalawa kasi 'di ba sa set natin ng baraha sometimes we have this joker. Pero since it's says here na standard, okay, and then may 52 na na-given, ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay, nandiyan na yung illustration. So, ang tanong, ano daw yung probability na makakuha tayo ng black, okay, the black card doon sa ating deck of cards. So, as you can see, we have here the clubs, the diamonds, the hearts, and the spades, okay? So, yung diamond tsaka heart, red siya. Yung clubs and yung spades is, we have black, di ba? So, as you can see, tigta 13 yan. Okay? So, 13 dito, 13, 13, and 13. So, ang kailangan lang natin yung black daw. Ilan daw yung probability na makakuha ka ng black card in that 52 standard deck of cards. Okay? So, again, the probability is equal to the number, isulat ko lang ulit, the number of event over the number of the sample space, or the possible outcomes, all possible outcomes. So the number of event is the number of the black card in this 52 cards. So, ilan siya? So, since may 13 tayo dito sa clubs, meron din tayong 13 sa spades. We have 13 plus 13 is 26 over the number of sample space, or the set, or the possible outcomes in this is, of course, we have 52. Okay, so we have 26 over 52, or if you're going to simplify that, find the GCF of 26 and 52, that is 26. So, 26 divided by 26 is 1. 52 divided by 26 is, we have, 52 divided by 26 is 2. Sorry, okay. Okay, so we have 2. Mali yung nasulat ko. Okay, so we have 2. So 1/2, or still we have 50%. So there is a 50% chance that we can pick, or we could pick black card at random from this standard 52 cards. Okay? So, dapat familiar kayo. So, yung mga hindi familiar dito sa cards, kasi common ito. When we talk about probability, ito yung mga common. Yung sa cards, yung sa coin, yung sa dice. Okay? So, you should be familiar. Next is ito, yung dice natin. So, what is the probability of getting an even number in rolling a fair die. So again, when we roll a die, we know that it has 6 faces, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So ang tinatanong dyan, ano daw yung probability na makuha natin ay or matapat siya sa even number. So ano ba yung mga even number? Any number divisible by 2. So we have here 2, 4, and 6. Okay? So, tingnan natin. So, probability is equal to the number of event, again, over the number of the sample space or possible outcomes. Okay? So, the number of event, of course, ilan ba yung even number dyan? Yun nga. We have 1, 2, and 3. So, we have 3. Then, the number of sample space or all possible outcomes, of course, we have 6. So, simplify again. So, we will get 1/2 or still, we will get 50%. Okay, so there is a 50% chance that we can get an even number when we roll a fair die. Okay? Ayan. Next, okay, let's try this one for the last one. So, a bag contains 3 red, 2 blue, and 5 green marbles. So, what is the probability of picking a blue marble? Okay, so let's just write first the formula. So, probability is equal to the number of event, okay, over the number of sample space. Okay, so here, the number of event, ano yung tinatanong? Probability daw na makapili tayo ng blue marble. So, ilan ba yung blue marble dyan? We have here 2. So, ilalagay natin 2. Tapos, sample space, ilan ba sila? Ilan yung total? So, pag ganito, i-add lang ninyo. So, 3 red, 2 blue, 5 green. So, we have 3 plus 2 plus 5. And that is 10. Okay? Or, if you're going to simplify that, we will have 1/5. Okay? Or, kapag ginawa nyo siyang fraction, or pag ginawa ninyo siyang percentage, rather, okay? Pag ginawa ninyo siyang percentage, we will get here 0.2, right? Or 20%. O, saan ko nakukuha yung 20%? I-divide lang ninyo. 1 divided by 5 is 0. So, mag-add lang tayo dyan. So, it will become 10 na. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So, ayan siya. Then, move 2 decimal places to the right to make it whole number. So, kaya siya naging 20%. Okay? So, that's number 1. So, we have 20% probability or 20% chance that we could pick blue out of those marbles. Okay? Next, number 2. Okay? So this is number 2. Mali yung number. Number 2. If you roll a die, what is the probability of rolling a number less than 5? So, we have a die again. So, we know that there are 6 faces. Okay? So, i-list natin para mas makita ninyo. I-list natin yung sample space nung die natin. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So, yun yung sample space natin ngayon. Kunin na natin yung probability daw na makakuha tayo ng less than 5. So, probability is equal to the number of event or number nung mga numbers na less than 5 over number of sample space. Okay? So, the number of event, ilan yon? So, less than 5. So, kasama ba yung 5 doon? Syempre, hindi. Kasi sabi niya, less than 5. Magiging kasama lang yung 5 kapag sinabing less than or equal. Okay? So, less than 5 meaning yung 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, there are 4. So, 4 over the number of sample space or all the possible outcomes, and that is, we have 6. Okay? Or if we're going to simplify that, find the GCF, 4 and 6, we have 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? Then, What's next? 3 pala, ayan. Then, we're going to transform that or convert that into percentage. So, i-divide lang ninyo. 2 divided by 3. Tapos, kung decimal yung nakuha, times nyo lang sa 100 para siya maging percent. Okay? So, ang makukuha ninyo dyan, kapag sinimplify nyo yan, kapag dinivide ninyo, 2 divided by 3, ang makukuha ninyo dyan ay 0.66. So, ano siya? Repeating and non-terminating. Okay? So, kapag ganyan, pwede nyo siyang i-round off na lang. Pwede siyang 67%. Okay? 67%. I-round off into a whole number na lang ninyo. Okay? So, 67%. There is a 67% chance when we're to get a number less than 5 when we roll a die. Okay? Next, for the last one, we have number 3. A student is randomly selected from a class of 10 boys and 15 girls. So, what is the probability of selecting a girl? Okay? So, in here, again, yung formula natin, probability is equal to the number of event over the number of sample space. Okay? So, the number of event, anong tinatanong? Probability of selecting a girl. So, yung girl. So, we have 15. Tapos, over the number of sample space is kung ilan silang total. Okay, kung ilan yung total, ilan silang lahat. So, 10 plus 15 is 25. So, 15 over 25, if we're going to simplify that into its simplest form, so what is the GCF of 15 and 25? We have, of course, we have 5. So, 15 divided by 5 is 3. Then, 25 divided by 5 is 5. So, now, we're going to convert that into percent or into percentage. So, 3 divided by 5, kapag dinivide nyo yan, ay makukuha ninyo ay 0.6. Kapag kinonvert naman natin siya into, ayan, whole number into percent, we have 60%. Again, 3 divided by 5, ayan siya. So, 0, diba? Then, add tayo dyan ng decimal. So, 30 divided by 5, 6. Tapos, move 2 decimal places to the right to make it a whole number. So, 1, 2. Okay? So, kaya nakuha yung 60%. Okay? So, there is a 60% chance that we select a girl out of this class which has 10 boys and 15 girls. Okay, so that's it for probability. I hope you understand and thank you.